Hi, welcome to this short film about Kingstal crane vehicles. This machine's just been out and collected a sign from a local hotel group, 11 meters long. See, it's hanging over the back of the truck there with a lazy tongue, greedy tongue. This is often described as with the extendable body. There's the control panel for the crane. It's all high-tech stuff nowadays. We've got to be very, very careful for health and safety reasons. And with there's 110 volts outlets from the generators which are fitted to the side of the vehicle, driven by the hydraulic takeoff engine. There's the tank for the AdBlue system, which guarantees the LEZ systems that we go into. Here's Dylan getting the hydraulic legs out to stabilise the crane before we unload that sign into Kingstal workshops, where we're going to do some repairs. Well, we're going to fit a new head to it. I think there's a re-image going on at this at the site where it's come from. You can just see in the back corner there, barely out of sight, you could see the last back stabilisers going down. There's Dylan, as you can see, he's standing away from the machine with a remote control wrapped around his shoulders, getting the crane into position, so he can see clearly what's happening everywhere. He can walk round the vehicle and control the crane. He's got very, very precise control with that, better than you can with the levers, really. The chains of the straps are in position now. You can see he's just going to find the center of balance of the sign, make sure that it's safe to unload, and could just jiggle the crane about a bit to feel where it goes. This is one of 4 crane vehicles that we operate. They're all very similar. Obviously this is the last one that we've just done, and hopefully everyone improves and gets better. You can just see the cab on the right hand side in the shot there. It's a twin sleeper cab, fully kitted out with microwave and TV, kettle facilities. Very comfortable to sleep in, and obviously if guys are away 3 or 4 days a week, they stay with the machine, stay with the loader all the time, and so whatever we're transporting, we don't get the theft or breaking into the toolboxes, etc. That often can happen if things are left unattended. Okay, we're just moving that load down. You can see the little bogey there at the bottom of the shot. We're just going to move this load across. We're going to lay the sign down onto these bogies, wheel it inside the shelter where we can work on it out of the wind and weather and etc. The guys will be probably doing some welding and such things, want to be nicely under cover. Okay, just getting some timbers there, making sure that we can ride. There's already a bogie being positioned underneath the front of the sign, and we'll just lower that down there, and probably when that's safe and secured, we can get the truck out of the way and enable that sign to be shoved in. Here we go, he's just lowering down. Take the weight off the straps now. Those will be 10-ton straps that we're just using there on this sign. You get to make sure you've got plenty of spare capacity over the weight of the sign. Often you don't know what the weight of the sign is. Obviously when you've lifted it up with the crane, you get a reading from the crane. Okay, he's just putting the crane away now. You can see he's standing well away from it, so he's in a good safe position, and the guys are folding up the straps to put them away. Around the left hand side of the truck, you probably saw earlier the shot of the tool cupboards, all manufactured from stainless steel, very solid, very secure, but that's the real heart of this thing, done at the near side, so when the men are in the cupboards, they're protected from any passing traffic, hopefully. There you see the greedy tongue being pulled in. That enables us to carry extra long loads. It's all operated hydraulically, and very, very useful that is too. Now I hung the forklift on to pull this sign in under the canopy so the guys can start working on it, and hopefully we'll get that head changed, replaced, and we'll follow a similar procedure to take it back to site and reinstall.